A stinky watermelon. Stinky watermelon boy. Yeah, you're just a snack that we eat in the summer. Stinky, stinky watermelon boy. You think you can take me? You think you can take me? I don't think so. I got many fingers. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. What you gonna do, boy? What you gonna do? Are you gonna come after them all? Yeah? You gonna get them all? Oh, you got back up. You got back up.
He's a bird, he's a bird, he's a bird, 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 he's a bird, he's a bird, he's a bird, 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 he's a bird, he's a bird, he's a bird, 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 he's a bird, he's a bird, 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 he's a bird, he's a bird, 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 bird.
Can you go poop before we go into the store, please? Can you go poop? Go poop? Go poop? Good girl, thank you. Go away.
I got in my car just in time. This is ridiculous. Ew. Gonna have to get in the car wash.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. Give me a kiss.
Va, pero ya estuvo.
Feisty potato, you laid another egg. I thought we agreed we were gonna stop. What is this? What is this? This egg has nothing in it because there's no male. The potato doesn't even care about it. I think you're real cute, but I don't consent to this. What do we do when we don't consent to things? If someone says no, what do you do? If someone says no, what do you do? That's right, you leave. Yeah, you can love them, but when they don't consent, you leave. No, you don't come back. Okay, I don't consent to this. I don't consent. If a bird can understand consent, what's your excuse? Hand of baby birds, I got a hand of baby birds. Would you like a hand of baby birds? I got a hand of baby birds. Would you like a hand of baby birds, Mr. Sam?
People on TikTok go viral for literally the dumbest reasons possible. Like, watch this. That was just 1,000 views.
new perch. What do you think? Oh my goodness, what are you doing? What are you doing, huh? Beep. Beep. Hey. Hey.
Cause I'm right here, darling, I'm right here. Close your pretty eyes, my boy.
This week, we're in Lancashire, with a mum desperate to turn the tide on her family's current eating, shopping and spending habits. We are the Allison family!
Your tongue is all by your side. You got it took too long. You get it. You got it took too long. You get it. You got it took too long.
Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Hey, somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper.
So this is my attack dog. People are more afraid of him than they are of most things. Go get him, boy. Yeah, you see that charging at you? Come here, Sam. See this thing charging at you? You better be terrified. Yeah, you better be terrified. They scary. You're a scary boy. Yeah, you bad. You a bad boy, huh? Yeah, you gonna mess him up for me, right? Yeah. That's my boy. Yeah, it's my boy.
What? What are you saying? Are you saying what's up? Can you say what's up?
What's up?
Good boy. Where are you going? Where are you going? Just lay down here nice. Relax. Can you say, what's up?
What's up? What's up?
Good boy, buddy. You're a good boy. You're so smart. Yes, you are. Do you want to lay down for a little bit before bed? Just relax. Lay down. Lay down. We're going to have a snooze.
Bedtime. What's that about? Stop it. Give me a kiss. Fuck's sake. What are you doing? Shh. What? What?
Good morning, Rio.
What are you doing?
Good morning. Good morning, chicken.
What are you doing?
Say hi.
What?
Hi, baby.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm recording you.
What are you doing, man?
Yeah?
Skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul and seal your doom tonight.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
I love you.
Twilight zone and I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy. Oh, I always feel like somebody's watching me.
Tinier age, I guess. And you see across one cluster, one most about to the fabric for a moment.
Why don't you listen to me? Vete a tu jaula. Córrele. A tu jaula. Mom, dile que se vaya a su jaula.
Kevin, a tu jaula. Órale.
He has no respect for me.
All right, birds. Everybody in? Right, choo-choo tango. Come on, let's go. You guys too. Come on. Everybody in? Come on. Good girl. Yay!
If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I'd been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe? If it hadn't been for Cotton Eye Joe, I'd been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
I walk around like that.